Hi guys, welcome back to Company Hearing YouTube channel. Here is a great opportunity for Sasken is hiring fresh engineers with a package of 5 lakh per annum. If you are from BE, BTech, MCA, MSc Computer Science background with 2022 to 2020 passed outs, you must be good in one programming language like C, C++, Java, Python. The selection process include a written test, coding ground, technical interview. Work locations are include Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Kolkata. So don't waste time. This is very better opportunity for 2022 to 2025 passed outs. Application link is available in video description and comment section. If you have any queries, feel free to ping me in comment section, or you can drop an email. I will answer as much of as possible. If you know 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 passed outs, share this video to your friends. It may be helpful for their career. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.